Hello, welcome. This is Cat B26 simply wrapped mobile phone. Let's see what is the feature in this phone. Cat B26. By wow, what a look! It's a button phone but wrapped. You can use beyond wrapped. Cat B26. Wrap touch and test external condition. Waterproof 35-minute waterproof phone. It's 6 feet, under 6 feet 1.8 meter, and dustproof also. Wow, what a battery use in this phone. 1500 ampere hours battery in this phone. Up to 13 hours real time, 18 days. Stunned by battery charge. Use this full waterproof 1.2 meter and 35 meter. Let's see the technical specification of this phone. Hot in this phone. Let's see. Wow. Technical specification of the phone is design. 149 into 16 mm, 150 gram. Other design featured physical button, the flashlight, beyond attachment, camera, main camera 2 megapixel camera, display 2.4 inch QVGA color display. Wow, it's a beyond wrapped, protect IP68, sand, dust and drain resistance, waterproof 1.2 meter 35 minutes, drop proof 1.8 meter drop. If you drop it the phone 1.8 meter, it's still alive. Resistance vibration category 4. And connectivity band network 890 and 910 audio jack 3.5 mm, Bluetooth 2.1, USB. Wow, it's a micro USB type. SIM, dual SIM, FM radio, media player, VGA, 30 frame. Battery capacity 1500 ampere hour, renewable lithium ion battery. 13 hours talk time, 18 days standby. Performance operating system. Memory 8 megabyte memory, processor SC6531F. You seen the phone. Wow, what is the phone? It's a very nice look smartphone. You see in this phone, and where to buy, you can buy this from this and this. And let's see the price of the mobile phone. Let's see the price from the retail partners mobile phone, how much price they sell the mobile. Okay, let's see. This is the price is 49.99 M. 49.99. Oh no. This price still nice. Very good. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy, just click and buy from this link. Bye bye.